Today we are going to see the new topic is from chapter 17, license and domains of open source technologies. You know about that, what does mean by open source? Yes, so you can go through the definition in your book. They have given some technologies of open source. You can go through the definitions. Now we will see the license and domains of source technologies. So what does mean by license? Why we need license? They give the permission to use that. Yes, for bike or and all you are getting license. No, what for you are getting license? To use the to ride the bicycle. Yes, so the same, if you want to use the software, you have to get license from the owner of the persons. Okay, so open source software means what? You can access the software freely and you can modify the software and redistribute the work also. So what does mean by license? It allows the user to use the software without getting any special permissions. Okay, and it is also given credit to the owner of the person. Okay, so most commonly license we are going to discuss now. The first one is GNU, General Public License. The second one is Lesser General Public License. The third one is BSD license. The fourth one is MIT. The fifth one is what? Apache. Okay, first one is General Public License. It is the most commonly used in the open source software. It is most commonly used in license in open source. So what is the use of that? It allows the user to copy the data, to modify the data, to redistribute the software. Okay, so copy the software means what? There is no restriction. How many times you want to copy, you can copy the data. Okay, so the next one is redistribute the software, and there is no redistribution in the software also. There is no restriction to redistribute the software. Okay, ma'am. The third one is you can modify the data. You can modify the programs or software, whatever the change you need. After modifying it, you can ask some amount and you have to explain that why you are charging the particular amount for that software. That you have to explain that. Okay. The last one is modification. Whatever the modification you want to make are under the control of GPL, General Processing Public License. Okay, whatever the modification you want to do it under the control of what? General Public License. Okay, the next one is Lesser General Public License. The second one is what? Lesser General Public License. That means what? Listen, ma, it has some less restriction to use the open source software. When compared to general public license, it allows the programmer to use the software freely. Okay, and what is the difference between that general public license and lesser general public license is, here whatever the changes you made in the software, you have to save with the extension, but in the GPL you have to remove it. Okay, the lesser general public license it also have GNU libraries. It is also called as library of GPL, General Public License. Are you clear? And it is also include free software and proprietary software also. That means free software means you can use the free of cost. Proprietary software means you have to pay some amount. Okay, the third one is BSD license. When compared to this, it has some less restriction about that BSD license. Okay, so it allows the user to copy the data, to modify the data, to distribute the data. Okay, softwares, and it has two technologies, that is new BSD license and simplified BSD license. New simplified BSD license means you can modify the data, whatever the changes you want you can do it, but under the control of the BSD license. Okay, the license also it include the it will maintain the warranty also. Okay, and it is the new BSD simplified BSD is different from the new BSD versions. Next one is MID. MID is the least restriction of using the open source license. So here you can copy the data, you can modify the data, you can redistribute the software, you can sell the software with free of cost, and whatever the change you need you can modify it, but under the control of the license. This is the least restriction of using the open source license. The last one is Apache. That is, it is also grant a number of rights to the user. It will grant number of rights to the user. Here, so once the permission is granted, you can use the software wherever you want. Okay. The next one is, once the rights to granted to one country means the country can give the rights to another countries also. Okay. And the third one is rights are not inclusive. The third one is what? Rights are not inclusive. The fourth one is rights are irrecoverable. Rights you can take away one, the permission you got, you can take away the, no one take away the rights. Are you clear about this? So what are the license of open source technologies? General public license, lesser general public license. The third one is BSD license, MIT license, Apache license. These are all the most commonly used license in your open source. The next one is public domain and versus proprietary software. So public domain means you can use the software without paying the amount anywhere. Okay. Then proprietary software means you can use the software freely. You can modify the software. You can make the changes. But you have to pay certain amount and you have to use the license of the software. You have to use the license of the software. Are you clear about this? So what are the license we have seen? The first one is GNU GPL, that means General Public License. General Public License. The second one is Lesser General Public License. The third one is BSD license. Fourth one is MIT. The last one is Apache. Okay. Thank you students. We will see in the next class.